because today we're diving deep into the RBI's September announcements.
Oh, yeah, we've got a lot to cover.
Seriously, you guys said in a ton of stuff. This is like a gold mine of changes.
Definitely going to be impactful for sure.
Exactly. From sending money overseas
Yeah.
to paying for things when your internet's down.
Yeah, can you imagine?
Seriously.
Yeah.
10 major developments, and we're going to unpack them all.
Can't wait.
All right, first up, UPI is going global.
Huge.
Huge. You know that UPI-PayNow linkage with Singapore?
Right?
Well, the daily limit just got a serious upgrade.
Oh, yeah.
Up to, wait for it, 2 lakh rupees.
Wow, 2 lakh.
That's right, 2 million thousand. So anybody who sends money overseas regularly, listen up.
Yeah, think about it. Family remittances, businesses paying overseas suppliers,
Students studying abroad.
all streamlined.
Exactly. It's way faster and cheaper than traditional methods.
Oh, for sure. Those old school methods. They can be a real pain.
Ugh, tell me about it. Okay, next up, climate change.
Oh.
This isn't just about saving the planet anymore, folks.
It's about economics.
It's about your money. The RBI's new framework makes banks assess climate risks
This is a big deal.
by June 2025.
So they have some time to implement it.
But still, it means banks are going to be looking at loans and investments differently.
If a company's heavily into fossil fuels, for example,
That's going to be a red flag, potentially.
because the world's moving towards renewables.
Big time. So this could really shift how banks do business.
Absolutely.
And speaking of green initiatives, the RBI is all in on green finance, NBFCs.
Non-banking financial companies.
That's right. These guys are going to be funding all sorts of sustainable projects.
Renewable energy, sustainable agriculture,
Yep. Green buildings.
anything that helps build a greener economy.
It's a big push towards sustainability.
And a smart move, if you ask me.
Yeah.
But RBI isn't just focused on the future, they're also shoring up the NBFC sector right now. Right. They've increased the minimum capital requirement for upper layer NBFCs.
To a cool AO 1000 core,
This is all about stability, making sure these institutions have enough reserves.
in case things go south, basically.
Yeah, it's like a safety net for the financial system. Ultimately, it protects borrowers and investors.
Now, get ready to have your mind blown, because UPI is going offline.
Wait, really? Offline?
That's right. You'll be able to make UPI payments even without internet,
That's incredible, especially for rural areas.
or places with spotty connections.
Yeah, this is huge EE for financial inclusion.
Totally. Imagine you're at a remote village market, no internet.
But you can still buy groceries.
Next up, let's talk about complaints.
Because sometimes things go wrong.
And when they do, you want to be heard.
Absolutely.
That's why the RBI has revamped its complaint process with the internal grievance redress mechanism,
So banks have a clear system for addressing customer issues.
efficiently and effectively,
This is about building trust in the financial system.
and making sure things are fair for everyone. Speaking of fairness, credit information companies are getting a makeover.
A standardized format for credit reporting.
So no more inconsistencies.
Consumers can be more confident that the information's accurate.
Lenders have a clearer picture.
Makes the whole process smoother.
Okay, remember how we talked about UPI going global? Well, get ready for the India-Indonesia payment corridor.
This is exciting.
It's going to make trade between the two countries so much easier.
Think about it. Payments will be streamlined.
Businesses can expand more easily.
It's a boost for both economies.
Next, let's talk urban cooperative banks, or UCBs for short.
Right, they're getting an upgrade too.
Banks have till March 2025 to implement the enhanced regulatory framework for UCBs,
Stronger governance, better oversight.
making sure they're operating safely and soundly,
Which is crucial because UCBs play a vital role in financial inclusion.
especially in those semi-urban and rural areas we were talking about.
They serve communities that bigger banks might not reach.
Last but not least, the RBI is bringing some much-needed regulation to the digital gold market.
Digital gold is getting really popular.
And with popularity comes, well, sometimes scams.
The RBI wants to protect consumers.
Ensure transparency and make sure the market operates fairly.
It's about creating a level playing field.
Phew, that was a lot. From global UPI to offline payments, green finance, and even digital gold, the RBI is covering all bases.
They're not just keeping up with the times, they're shaping the future of finance in India,
And that's what makes it so exciting. They're embracing innovation.
while also strengthening the core of the financial system.
It really makes you think, how will all these changes impact your financial life?
What opportunities